What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Black Adam. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left and draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, drawing that same length line. I'm going to go back to the inside and curl up the brow, coming in and bending that up. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we want to step in to create an overlap, draw a half circle, coming down, just pulling that up towards the inside of the brow, and do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a highlight on the top left side of each eye. So up against the side of the eye, curve around, just tuck that up underneath the brow, go to the inside of the right eye, come down, and then up. Now let's fill the inside of the eyes in black, working our way around that highlight. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw in the nose. We'll line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, and start over on the left, curving the nose coming down, and then up. Now I'm going to step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. From the bottom of the nose, let's step down and add a curve, going up and down for the mouth. And then in the center, we'll step down, draw a straight line going across the lip. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to go out, so we curve the head coming down, just bend this in underneath the mouth in the center, go across, and then bend that up towards the right side, towards the same height. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and round out the top of the head. We start up here, just going to bump this out, go up and in towards the middle, go all the way around towards the right, come down, and then bend that in. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. From this point, curve the ear going up, come down, and then back in. Now on the inside of the ear, we're going to add a fold. We're going to step down, curve this up, and bend that out. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Now you want to connect the hips with a curve coming down towards the bottom of the belt, and bend that back up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to step up and draw that same curve to the top of the belt. And leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw two lines, one on the left, and one on the right. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a very simple lightning bolt. In the center of the head along the bottom, step over towards the left, angle this down and out toward the side, draw a straight line coming in. Now let's draw another angled line coming down towards the bottom of the bolt. Now from here, it's going to angle this up towards the right side of the body, draw a straight line coming in, angle this back up underneath the head. Now we want to trace that lightning bolt along the outside. Just coming down on the side, working our way down towards the bottom, and going up along the right. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From the buckle, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And then in the middle of that curve, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the bottom of that line, curve the left foot coming down and then out. Go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. Let's go back to the side and draw the top of the foot. And curve this up, round out the foot, and aim towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, bend the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We'll take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that in towards the heel. And do the same thing on the right. Now from the top of the foot, we want to step up, draw a curve, coming down and up to the top edge of the boot. Now I'm going to move back up and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, curve the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. And the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and curl around the thumb. From the wrist, I'm going to go up, then the thumb coming down, round up the thumb, and pull that back up. Now with the thumb in place, we're going to curl 3 fingers along the outside. Let's start from the side of the thumb with a half oval, going out and then in. Let's move down to the bottom, draw that again, and just tuck this up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now let's go to the bottom finger. I'm just going to curl the hand coming down. Let's bend this up toward the top of the wrist. Let's move to the inside of the palm, bend the arm coming in and then up toward the side of the body. And then we'll add a thick cuff around the wrist. From the top, let's step in, follow that same curve going all the way around the arm. Now from here we're going to place the cape in behind the body. Let's start from the top of the arm, start by going up, bending that down in behind the arm on both sides. Let's follow this curve down toward the bottom of the arm, bend the cape coming down and then out. Let's close off the bottom of the cape, starting on the left, coming down and then up in behind the leg. And once we finish the cape, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Black Adam. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.